here we go from the restaurant with beautiful views from the castle to an amazing steakhouse in Lirio, Ferro em Brasa, where we enjoyed a beautiful bone-in. So if you are one of those steak eaters that just love a good cut of meat, a chop house styled restaurant, this is the restaurant for you, located in Lirio. Here we go. And of course, who doesn't love a nice full bar? So here, if you're not feeling like wine right away, enjoy a nice cocktail before proceeding either in or out to the patio for some views like this. And who doesn't love a steak view? We had a gorgeous T-bone steak, a few sides, and a bottle or two of wine, and we ended that bill with tip and all at $180 USD. So not bad for us for a special night out on the town. Or if the first restaurant, Matilda Noca, is more your style, enjoy a local's favorite. So on to something I love, a little retail therapy, but online. We found Lefties. It is located in Lisbon, but on the .com you can find everything that you need and get it delivered for either next to nothing or nothing. So we're going to show you some of the things we ended up with. A few nice blazers for nights out. Gotta have those. Gotta have some dress shirts, you know. All of our stuff is not here yet. I needed a robe, and of course now cold weather's coming, so sweatshirts are a must. So me and the big guy had to get some sweatshirts, definitely another jacket, just little things that you don't think of. And of course, you know, Carabini loves his t-shirts and his track suits, so we had to get the big guy a couple of track suits, and also 3 pairs of gym shoes. Can't beat that. So hold on for that total. If you can believe it, 10 items in all. That's what we paid. So you can still get your retail therapy on while you're out here in Portugal.